Good afternoon from the National Weather Service office in Gaylord, Michigan. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Saturday, March 16th, 2013. Doesn't seem much like spring, but we do have a few hazardous weather highlights that are of the wintry type nature. We have accumulating snow and possible periods of freezing drizzle that will be sometime on Monday into Tuesday, probably late on Monday afternoon. And it looks like then also that this would cause slick and snow-covered roads as well as reduce visibility. The accumulating snow, though, is going to probably last into Tuesday, only to be transitioned into accumulating lake effect snow and blowing snow for Tuesday into Thursday. The models have been pretty insistent on this, so the only problem is it's just a few minor track differences in them, and the models keep shifting around. So there is some uncertainty to where specifically, but for the most part, we are getting into a time period now where it's starting to look a little bit more likely that these things are going to happen. So as we take a look at the current weather map, area low pressure continues to move up the Ohio Valley. We're still expecting another little surge of cold air to come down through here, and we will continue on with some lake effect snow showers overnight. And then the high pressure eventually builds in on the day tomorrow, so that by the afternoon we should see all the dry air and this high pressure just taking all the snow out of the area. It's this next storm that's out in the west that we're keeping an eye on. It looks like it moves by Monday morning into Minnesota and then over into northern Lake Superior by Tuesday morning. When it gets into this point, there's going to be a little bit of dry air aloft, so that could cause some of the snow to stop for a bit. Most of the snow, it looks like, actually will probably be Monday, at least initially, with the front coming up through here, Monday afternoon, Monday evening. And then it lessens. We get into a little bit of a period of a mix of freezing drizzle and snow. And then as soon as it gets past us on Wednesday morning, we are going to be in a lake effect pattern. There's plenty of moisture. Temperatures get cold enough, especially at 5,000 feet, for us to really see some decent snow bands to be starting to amount around the region. So for the most part, we've got Lake Superior, our favorite snowbelt areas in the Upper Peninsula, as well as in northwest lower Michigan, that will be in the target areas of this. Now, the temperatures are cold enough that there should be fairly fat, light snowflakes that we have been seeing here. So that is one good thing, because most of this will just probably settle and blow away, and it probably won't be terrible, but we will have some slippery parts and some low visibility at times in these snow squalls. Otherwise, by Thursday, it's going to continue on. Thursday, once this gets out of here, though, we're going to be into Friday. It's going to be high pressure is going to build into the region finally, and it's going to get all this stuff out of here. Just a reminder that our main thing that we're watching, though, is the Monday through Thursday time frame. Monday could have accumulating snows with the storm coming through. Then going into Tuesday, we could probably see some freezing drizzle possible with the mixing there. That's the main part of the hazards. And then Tuesday and Thursday will, of course, accumulating lake effect snow, which is beginning to look more probable as we get into that time period. This concludes this afternoon's hazardous weather briefing. Thanks for listening in. If you have more questions or want more information, you can always go to our website at weather.gov/Gaylord, or you can ask us questions on Twitter and Facebook. Thanks for listening.